Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, if you are planning to study in Germany, if you are stuck at the point that how to find English start programs, either you are applying for bachelor program or for a master program. So, in this video, I will guide you properly that how we can find English start programs in Germany. So, let's jump on the screen and explore how we can find English start programs. Simply type dot.d and then search. Once you have opened the website, you have to scroll down and select an option which is international programs. Once I have clicked on international programs, there I can see the programs, course type and course language. Let's say if you are interested for bachelor, you can select bachelor, or if you are interested for master, you can select this one too. And then we will select the course language. If you are going to search a program in which are offered in English language, I will select English only. Then you have to select the subject groups. Let's say if your academic background or your interest is relevant to engineering sciences, you can easily select the engineering sciences. Then you have to search the keywords which are falling the programs into engineering sciences. Let's say I'm typing energy, then I will search this one, and the programs which are relevant to energy in engineering sciences, their courses will. So all the programs which are available you can see on the website. Let's scroll down the screen and you can find a master degree in renewable energy systems, master degree in renewable energy systems, and scroll down you can find sustainable energy and processes, clean energy processes. All these programs which are relevant to energy in engineering sciences, all these programs you can see. So if you want to change the subject groups, you can easily. Let's say I'm going to select economic sciences and law. I will simply select this option, and the all programs relevant to this will be showed up on screen. Let's say I can see master degree in energy management, and scroll down and I can see master in business management, and there are multiple courses available you can see on this website. To get more information about a specific program, you can simply select. Let's say I can see master of sciences in environmental and resources economics. I can see the overview, course details, uh, cost and fundings, requirements and registration services, and about the university. Each and everything we can see here. Let's say we will start from overview, and you can see the degree title which is master of sciences, and the course location is also mentioned, and teaching language which is English, and the languages they also have mentioned our courses are held in English. Then this master program is full time and program duration is 4 semester. Let's say we can see the application deadline also of this program. Application period with a bachelor's degree obtained in other countries, you can apply via uni assist, and the deadline also mentioned for winter and summer semester respectively from 1st April to 15 July for winter semester. Now we can check the tuition fee per semester which is zero, and other information also provided about this program. Let's check the cost and funding of this program. Tuition fee per semester which is zero, and the semester contribution fee which is only 302 euro, which is only contribution fee. Let's check the requirements and registration. Here you can see the academic admission requirements. They have mentioned that bachelor's degree with the 2.5 grade, and you can check other information like admission requirements and the language requirements. Here, let's see, you can see proof of English language skills by TOEFL, IELTS, or bachelor's degree with English as a language of instruction. Moreover, you can find how to submit your application via UniAssist or without UniAssist, and the application timeline also mentioned. Here you can check the information about the university, like where is it located, and the founding year of this university, mission of university, and the all information like students, how many students are enrolled, and staff members at this university. You can check all the information about the university on this tab. And now we can change the subject groups. Let's say if you are interested for agriculture and forest sciences, you can select this option, and the programs which are relevant to agriculture and forest sciences are available on the website. You can check all the information on this website. So if I'm interested for agriculture and food economics program, I simply clicked on this one, and the all information like overview of the program, cost details and cost fundings requirements I can simply see here. And you can get all the information about us program specifically. Let's say you can see here that tuition fee per semester in euros, which is zero. So you can check other requirements for this program. Let's say academic admission requirements or language requirements and application deadline, all the information available. And here is also mentioned that how to submit your application. And if you are interested to get information about costs and funding, you can simply click on this tab, and you can check here the tuition fee per semester and semester contribution fee, which is only 330 euro per semester, and the cost of living and funding opportunities. As they have mentioned funding opportunity, no, it means no scholarship available within university. Here on you can explore other programs which are available on the website, and you can scroll down the screen to check other programs which are currently available. I hope you enjoyed this video and your doubts are clear. So if you have any query, you can ask in comments below. Let's meet in a new video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.